Do you feel like your paycheck buys less and less every month? If everything feels expensive right now, you're not alone. Welcome to 2026, where inflation is the new normal. Imagine filling up your grocery cart or looking at your monthly rent bill. The sticker shock is real. It makes you wonder, where did all the money go? Let's start with the most painful one. Groceries. That weekly trip that used to cost $150 now easily pushes past $250. This surge impacts everyone, every single day. So why is everything so expensive? And more importantly, is this simply the new normal we have to live with? We're going to break down the complex forces driving prices up and give you clear, actionable strategies to fight back. Let's dive into the main plot. What exactly is fueling the inflation fire in 2026? It's not just one factor, but a perfect storm of global and domestic issues. First, the supply chain issues from the pandemic never fully resolved. Coupled with ongoing labor shortages, the cost to produce, transport, and sell goods remains stubbornly high. Next, global instability. Geopolitical conflicts continue to drive extreme volatility in energy prices. When the cost of oil and gas spikes, everything from manufacturing to shipping gets more expensive, hitting consumers immediately. We're also seeing the delayed effects of central bank actions. The massive liquidity pumped into the economy years ago is still circulating, pushing demand beyond what supply can handle, even with rising interest rates. Don't forget corporate strategies. Many companies have used inflation as cover to raise prices beyond their own rising costs, a concept some call greedflation, which boosts their profit margins at your expense. Finally, housing. Years of underbuilding combined with high interest rates means rent and mortgages consume huge portions of household budgets, leaving less money for everything else. Now for the clear solution. You don't have to be a victim of inflation. We've compiled 5 key strategies to help you not just survive, but thrive in this high-cost environment. Strategy 1. Ruthlessly track your expenses. Identify exactly where your money is going and cut out non-essentials. A detailed budget is your roadmap to financial control. Strategy 2. Make your money work harder. Prioritize high-yield savings accounts and explore inflation-protected instruments like I-bonds or Treasury inflation-protected securities or TIPS. Strategy 3. Be a tactical spender. This means buying in bulk for non-perishables, choosing generic or store brands, and diligently comparison shopping, especially for insurance and utilities. Strategy 4. Boost your income. Now is the time to negotiate for a raise that matches or exceeds the inflation rate, or to explore side hustles that bring in extra cash. Strategy 5. Aggressively tackle high-interest debt like credit cards. High debt payments severely erode your budget. Eliminating them is one of the fastest ways to feel immediate financial relief. To conclude, while 2026 feels expensive, you have the tools to take control. Future-proofing your finances starts today with these strategies. Remember to budget, save smart, spend tactically, boost your income, and manage that debt. These actions will give you immediate relief and stability. Adopt a long-term mindset of financial resilience. By consistently applying these principles, you build a fortress against future economic shocks. Thanks for watching, and start fighting inflation today.